you are loved by your colleagues and your friends, and just seeing all the emotion, I feel like crying.
You guys are the reason we do what we do, okay? And thank you for your efforts, and tomorrow we expect even more.
You are the NEA Educational Support Professional of the Month. Yay! And you returned to Santa Fe after leaving to pursue a career in accounting, and I heard you have all kinds of skills, and I might just steal it.